Well, what's going on, guys? Give me a second here, getting set up still. Getting some things set up. You can see this hurricane is coming right at me. It's going down. Hurricane Irma on the way to South Florida. One of the largest storms in history. Coming straight down the barrel here. This could be This could be possibly the last live stream ever. South Florida might just get wiped off the map. All right. What's going on, guys? Getting started here this morning. Whoa. There's a change in music there. What's good? So the word is Short Trader is limited service today, but I think the actual trading system is still working. I'm not sure if their order servers are in the Bahamas, but there's a good chance that they might be. Just go ahead and leave a tip. It might be my last video. Help me plan my funeral here. If you guys haven't already, look at this storm. This thing is massive. It's coming directly for us there. The end is near. The end is near. Repent now. All right, so a couple different stocks let's take a look at this morning. How's that audio? Let me check this audio real quick. Uh-oh. Don't want that. There we go. Audio is good. So there's an update from Short Trader talking about how they have limited business. But, pretty sure the order servers are not in the Bahamas. So taking a look here, NLNK this morning going short here at the 1418 area. You can see that 1418 area, it dropped down this morning. It's been selling off, found some support there at the 1380, and then got back up to that 1415 area. Was watching that 1450 area, ended up going short there at 1450, 1415, and then taking profit down here at 1378. I actually got screwed up. I was trying to take profit at 1375, but I put my order in wrong, put it at 14, so I ended up covering earlier than I wanted to there at 1379. If I do die, you guys should at least come back to this channel and watch all the videos multiple times. Maybe leave some money for my family, you know? Help this channel really blow up. But overall, taking a look at a couple different stocks. CURA. I tried to trade this one earlier. I was on the right side at the beginning, but let me pull it up here. CURA getting in there at the 865 area. Just could not get through there. Ended up just taking a small loss there. And then you can see CURA jumping up there to 930 now. So CURA trying to make a move here. It gapped up from that $6, $6.80 area. You can see after hours today, getting up there to $10. So CURA on the move here. Got 500,000 shares traded. KURA. Sorry about that. KURA. KURA is the stock I'm talking about right now. KURA bouncing off this 840 area. Yes. KURA. You're right. Uh-oh, Kroger's getting crushed. Oh, I like this. Why is Kroger getting crushed? Let me go find out why. What's the news on Kroger right now? Earnings this morning or earnings after hours? So earnings was this morning. Earnings were in line, but investors were worried about lower prices, food deflation plus competition. So the earnings weren't that bad, but the future is not that good with Amazon and the whole deal. EFX. What was that? Experian this morning. Having some issues getting hacked. Taking a look here at Kroger. Kind of watching this 2150 area. Maybe going short there. This is a 5-minute chart. Pull this up a little bit here. So Kroger up to that kind of double top area there at the 2140 area. So we'll see if it wants to bang on that 2140 again. So just watching Kroger here, possibly for a balance at open or to go short. The new LG 43-inch monitor is amazing. I'm not sure how well my eyeballs are gonna hold up, but hey, this thing is amazing. I really got to figure out the distance here. I'm like literally 2 inches from it, so it's a bit crazy. Get the thing set up. Taking a look here at Kroger. I don't know why I keep saying C, but I keep saying KURA. The other big mover this morning, gapping up. It's up 34% so far this morning. NLNK, wild move on NLNK yesterday, just going insane. Remember we traded this one in the live stream in the morning, shorting it, taking some profit. You can see NLNK going higher there, up to 15.37 after hours. Well, I guess pre-market there this morning. So wild move there on NLNK. Now it's back down to that 1373 area. So selling off from this move this morning. So we're just sitting back here and waiting. 9 a.m. Taking a look at a couple different stocks. You guys got to see this video I saw last night. This guy, he thought it would be a good idea here to, I don't know, hold this truck up. So watch this guy here. He's literally holding this truck up. You can see the hurricane winds hitting the side of this truck, and he's holding it up, and boom, gets crushed. What a bad idea. If you are in a hurricane and it's blowing, just get away from it. Do not try to save your truck or car or whatever that is. This poor guy, what was he thinking there? One more time here. I'm not sure if you guys can see that very well, but just smashed. Gnarly. What a bad idea there. Hey, can't save everybody. I don't know. The video doesn't really show if he made it or not, but overall, I can't imagine that he did. That truck just came on down. So, EFX, people talking about that one. EFX had news about getting hacked. It's down 13% already. Equifax getting hacked, I guess, yesterday. Or news came out. So they're gapping down from that 143 area down there to 119 now. Kind of bouncing back from the 119 area, finding some support there. You don't have hurricanes in South Africa, but you do have lions and tigers. You gotta watch out for those tigers. They will take you out. NLNK here. I think we get the first red day, this thing really might start crashing. But I don't know. Yesterday was insane for a while. It just had no problem going higher. It just kept getting bought up. But you can see it made a big move right there before end of day here. Gapping down from that 1448 area all the way down here to 13. So basically dropping $1 in a matter of seconds. So NLNK getting crushed. in a matter of seconds and then coming back, actually. So a lot of buying pressure going on. You can see this thing just for a while was doing nothing but going higher, 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 higher. Jump up from that 1173 area up there to 1450. Double top there at the 1450 area. And then pre-market this morning, somebody getting greedy and trying to buy those $15 shares. And now it's down there to 1386. So got some insider trading going on over there on Expedia. I was wondering what people were talking about this morning when I saw them talking about the insider trading on that. So Expedia executives selling their stock after or right before this whole crash. Timing, funny timing, right? Funny timing. AVEO, someone talked about this one earlier actually. AVEO running up yesterday. Nice little move from that 340 area all the way through that $4, moving right there into close. And then now pre-market jumping up there to 430, pulling back down here to $4. Equifax, yes, not Expedia. Sorry, it's early in the morning. So many things going on. A hurricane coming straight at me. You gotta give me a pass on that one. So AVEO this morning jumping up there to that 430 area. TNTR, another one taking a look at this morning. It gapped down big this morning, but not a lot of volume overall in the stock normally. You can see it doesn't really trade that much volume. Not a big mover. So maybe we get some selling today. Watching Kroger here. I made a lot of money on Kroger a couple weeks ago or a couple months ago. I think a couple months ago. Kroger got crushed. You can see here on the daily chart. It gapped down from that $30 area and had it was like a 1, 2, 3 punch on this one because it was actually they had news that they were cutting revenue forecast, and then the next day Amazon bought Whole Foods. So it was literally just like the perfect storm. Kroger got killed. So it literally dropped down from that $30 area down here to $20 in a matter of 2 days. Just bang, bang, bang. And it was all like pre-market. Every morning, news coming out. And Kroger got crushed there. So you can see Kroger gapping out from that $30 area and going lower here. Kind of bouncing $21 area. So we'll see if this news today is enough to get it below that $21 area through that 2070 and break into the 19s here. Got some resistance support there at the 2120 area, 2140. So we're breaking through 2120 right now. Other than Kroger, keeping an eye on KURA. See maybe at open get some more volume on this thing. If it wants to start going. It's up 30% right now. Watching TNTR kind of just not doing much. Gotta really need some more volume on that. It's already down 23%, so it's gonna have a short sale restriction there at open. It might try to bounce higher. FNSR also gapping down this morning. You can see FNSR gapping down from that $21 area. So we got some resistance there at the 2066 area there on FNSR. AOBC, another one I'm watching this morning. AOBC kind of getting crushed too. Gapping now from that $17 area down there to $12.80. And now kind of bouncing at the $13.60 area. Just kind of watching AOBC retail company. I think they sell a bunch of guns and stuff like that. It might be like Bass Pro Shops, actually. I gotta look into that. I think the word on the street is that gun sales are down right now. So AOBC on the watch list. We got AVEO kind of moving around this morning. You can see yesterday made a big move. Took a little bit of time actually. Kind of didn't really move until about 10:30 when it started to move higher there. Found support at the 340 area. So kind of watching AVEO. Also, Zoomies retail store. ZUMZ gapping up on earnings after hours yesterday. I'm not in love with this move. You can see not a lot of volume normally on this stock, so it might not do much today. KURA. People talking about this one. Having good news, phase 2 news. It got up there to the 9:30 area so far. Last night after hours, look at that big green candle here, jumping from $7 up to $9.50 in about 5 minutes there. Look at it, looks like on the 1 minute chart. Well, can't get back there, but you can see basically bang, $7 and $9.50 there in about 5 minutes, and then all the way up here to $10, and bang, shorts crushing it from $10. So Kroger. We're watching Kroger here. Like I said, maybe look to go short here at open on a spike. A lot of buying on the bottom of these candles, though. Last couple candles getting bought up there. So give Kroger some time here. Gonna wait for open before we make a move here. Already made what, 90 bucks on NLNK. You can see my entry here. Going short there, that 14-15 area. The reason that I did that is NLNK gap down or moving down from that 1540 area, kind of coming down, bouncing off this 1380 area. So I was kind of looking at this EMA here. The top of this candle was right there at 1415. So I was thinking we might get another double top there, and it ended up going up to 1418 on these three candles, getting stuck there, triple top. And then on this next candle, getting this sell off down here to the 1370 area. I ended up covering a little early there. Kind of a mess up actually. Went to cover 14. I put in 1475 instead of 1375, so ended up covering still at 1379. So that's a nice little move there from that 1415 area down there to 1379. I've got about 5 cases of water, 2 loaves of bread, peanut butter and jelly for days, and plenty of other necessities. We'll see. Oh, speaking of You Suck, actually yesterday he wrote me a message saying that he made 30 accounts and he was going to be in the live stream today, going crazy with 30 accounts. He spent time to make 30 accounts yesterday. I don't know why the guy is so mad. He really hates me. His whole issue is he thinks that I'm an idiot and that I'm teaching you guys really bad habits. But at the end of the day, like I always say, if you learn anything from this whole thing, just learn some of my mistakes, see what I do wrong, and figure out how to do better. Like, I've never claimed to be a trading guru by any sort. I can film, I can do social media, Instagram, that stuff like that. That's my real life career job. The trading stuff is new to me in the last year and a half. So if you guys are looking for some trading gurus, there's plenty of them out there, but I am not one. I like it. Steve will make his own decision. He'll do what he wants. You Suck will not stop Steve from watching. Speaking of the market right now, it's kind of a... Last couple of weeks have been tough. A couple people ask me why I haven't been making a lot of money recently, and I would say it's because the market's just been tough. There's gonna have those weeks where the market it's like picking candy from a baby, where you just have amazing shorts that just sell off at open, no problem. They just spike a little bit and then crash. And then you have days like in LNK where it's just like all over the place. You don't really know what's gonna happen. What's my plans for the hurricane? Plans for the hurricane is be right here. Right here. Uh-oh. There he is. Speak of the devil. If you watched my video recap yesterday, There was no lies. I showed you my trades. I made 41 trades. That's tickets, 41 tickets. So you gotta think I was scaling in, scaling out, taking half profit, taking a little bit of profit. It wasn't that I actually made 41 trades. There was a couple times where I couldn't get filled all the way. Had to put another order out there. You know, people are gonna, you can hate me for it if you want. You can. I'm a bad person because I made 41 trades. I know. I'm a bad person. See the broker statements. I've showed you my broker statements. You suck. We're putting you in timeout. All right, NLNK. We're not gonna feed the trolls today. We're gonna focus on making some money. Like I said, I already made $90 there on NLNK, so I'll be happy with another $100 here at open. Just kind of watching NLNK. What else is on the watch list right now? ZUMZ Zoomies doing something. Not really sure. Not a lot of volume. This stock doesn't really trade normally. So AOBC also coming down this morning, kind of watching this 1376 area, looking to maybe go short here at the 1420s if it can't get back up to that 1430 area. So AOBC on the watch list. We got Kroger. Kroger making a move here. Nice little pop up to that EMA there. Got the 20 EMA. It's bouncing there. So ding, 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 Kroger. Kroger having bad news this morning. Their earnings not as hot as they should be. So kind of watching Kroger here. Possible long this morning would be KURA. I know some people aren't looking to short, looking to go long. KURA could be a long here at open. Really just needs more volume, more action. Getting stuck at that 935 area. You got a pre-market high there. Well, yesterday's after hours high at the $10 area and coming down. So basically watching KURA for a move here at open if it wants to get some power. A lot of buying right there. Look at a lot of buying there on level 2 on KURA right now. Ding, ding, ding. A lot of buying. It wants to move. I think this stock has a larger float. AVEO, possible short. Someone calling that one out. AVEO making a move yesterday from that 340 area up here above $4. Running up there to 430 pre-market and then pulling back here. Right down to that $4 area. So basically, yesterday kind of had the support there at the 399 area. Kind of washing that for a possible short. $20 million, huh? KURA, big, a lot of buying and selling, just not really moving much. I guess there's a 5-cent ticker, so it's moving a little bit differently than normal. 20 million float there. What does the float mean? So a bigger float on a stock is obviously going to take more volume to move the stock. More liquidity, more shares out there in the market. Makes it a little bit harder to move when a stock's moving higher. So you have a big float. Takes a lot more volume, a lot more action to buy up all those shares. Small floats are going to move a lot faster, a lot less shares. Sometimes some of the small floats will actually trade their whole. They will trade all the shares that are open on the market 2 or 3 times a day. You get a couple million shares traded. ZUMZ, possible short. Not sure this thing really wants to go higher, but not sure if it's going to go down. You can see ZUMZ having troubles there. Doesn't really want to move. So normally the stock doesn't move much and the volume just really isn't there. So I don't love it. I like to see a lot of volume. This stock does not have a lot of volume. This candle here, 65,000 shares, moved it up huge. But normally you don't get much volume on this stock. BCRX, check it out. BCRX up to that $6 area. Yesterday, make a nice little move from that 490 area, actually, all the way up there to $6. So the last time it did that kind of move, it had a big sell-off at open. So you can see the other day had a little bit of a move and then dang, selling off, but not kind of more support on the way up on this time. Look at the 5-minute chart here. This thing goes up, crashes, up. So we'll see if BCRX wants to hold or it wants to go down here. FRTA. FRTA, a lot of resistance there at the 414 area. You can see big seller sitting there at 414 right now. FRTA making a nice move yesterday up to that 415 area, getting stuck there. So kind of watching that 415 area if it wants to break. 420 pre-market high now. Not a lot of volume so far. See if the volume fills in there. Everything kind of. There is the short entry there on Kroger. Getting up to there at 2160. Pulling down now. If you guys haven't seen the news, there's a hurricane coming. It's coming right down the barrel here in Florida. I'm right at the tip of Florida, right at the bottom tip. And this thing is heading right towards me. Luckily, I live 7 stories up in a larger building. Watching Kroger right here. Pulling back here. I'll be staying. I'll be here. I'm going to live stream this, baby. Kroger should have went short there at the 2160 area. Too busy looking at everything else. Ouch. Is the city a ghost town? I don't think so. People aren't as scared as some places. I've been through about, I don't even know, 10, 20 hurricanes. This is definitely the biggest hurricane. This is definitely the first time I've been through a huge hurricane in South Florida. So we got 3 minutes till market open here. Watching Kroger. Watching BCRX for possible short. And then watching KURA for a possible long. A couple other stocks moving around this morning. NLNK at that 1395 area. Yesterday, NLNK making a crazy move. It had a lot of action, a lot of buying going on there. Predator, it's not a TV. This is a 4K monitor, baby. It's huge. I think Kroger wants to go higher. Look at the bottom of these candles all getting bought up here. So AVEO. You can see previously that 399 area yesterday, right there into close, finding some support at the 399 area, 395. So kind of watching that 395, 394 area. Might be a move higher up to this 430 pre-market high there at 429. So AVEO might want to move back up to that pre-market high there before moving lower. I am American, born and raised in Florida. AOBC on watch here. Market about to open here. Here we go. 30 seconds left. Get your bullets ready. Get ready to fire. Watching Kroger here to see if he has a little bounce. NLNK making a bounce here. AOBC bouncing. Looking to see if Kroger wants to make some action here. Kroger just not doing it. Not going higher. We're trying to go short there at the 2160 area. Kroger getting bought up there. Wanting to go higher. Oh, getting out. Kroger doing a bit of a bounce there. Trying to go short there at 2140. Up there to 2168 now. Gonna give it a little bit of time here to see if that resistance is gonna kick in from that 2160 area. Getting out of it. It wants to go higher. Ouch. NLNK coming down here from that 1435 area, finding resistance there at the 1435 area. KURA going for that $10 move here. Looking to get in here above $10 here on KURA. There it is. Getting in there at $10. Looking for this move higher. Like to see the 1025 area. Getting some buy in there at $10. Trying to hold here. KURA. Looking for this move higher. KURA finding some resistance there at the 1010 area right now. 1005, 1010 again. Give him a little bit of time here. Looking for this move back to that 1015 area. They're at 10.15 again. Big seller sitting there. 10.05 holding. There we go. 10.15. See if the 10.15 is going to sell through. Dude, 10.20 now. There it is. 10.20. 10.25. Looking for that 10.30. There it is. Taking profit there at 10. Getting filled 10.20. So ended up making 20 cents there on KURA. Was trying to get filled there at 10.25. Didn't get filled. Ended up getting filled there at 10.20. 500 shares. There it is. KURA trying to go higher. Nice work, Hitesh, making that profit there. 970 to 1010 there. KURA coming back down here through that $10 support. NLNK trying to bounce here, 1360. What else we got? INSM bouncing, AOBC bouncing. Kroger coming back down through my first entry point there. NLNK looks like it wants to go higher here. I'm thinking you gotta put 2 orders out to flip short. Never tried it. I guess if you go to sell more shares than you have in your position, you could probably do it quickly. Going live during the hurricane, no doubt about it. NLNK up there to that 1460 area. BCRX bouncing around there. INSM. Everything's kind of moving around. AOBC making a bounce here. Kroger looking like it's getting weak here. Just not getting through that 2120 area here on Kroger. The new monitor is amazing. Loving it. KURA back up to that 1040 area. 1030, ding, ding, ding. Right now, I'm up 79 bucks on the day. Minus commissions, probably about 20 bucks. Waiting for Kroger here. NLNK. Bouncing around here, 1430 area. FRTA. Jumping in there on FRTA for the break of 450 there. Looking for that move to 460 area. Finding some resistance there at the 460 area right now. See if it wants to head higher. Giving FRTA a little bit of time here. See if we're going to bounce back up to my entry area there at 450. Watching this 440 area. Ouch. FRTA getting crushed there. Getting denied at that 460 area. Let's see if we get a little bit of bounce here, get out a better average. Last stop, right at 28 right now. NLNK, big squeeze up to that $15 area now. Wanting to go higher. FRTA buying some support here. See if we get back to closer to that entry there. There we go. Back to 450 here. See if I can get out for break even. Getting out there the 440 area. Watching a couple different stocks here. NLNK above 1551 here. Looking for a squeeze here above this $0.50. Not getting filled there. Right above 1550 there. KURA up to that $11 area. I could still be in KURA. You can see it pulled back though, now 980 here. Could have got a better entry actually, probably. NLNK up to that $16 area, through that 1550. Nice work. So KURA getting stuck there at $11. NLNK looking for that $16 break here. Not getting it, not fast enough. NLNK just going higher here. Reminding me of like yesterday. Looking for a bit of a pullback here on NLNK. NLNK just going crazy here. See if we get stuffed here at the 1650 area. Looking for a pullback below the 1640 area. Going short there. So we get a pull back to the 1620s. Looks like I might just want to keep going. And it just keeps going. Wow. NLNK just not stopping here. The squeeze is real. Looking for a pullback here on NL and K. Come on, give me that. Break of 1630 here. Getting out of there. Not liking it. Put an order out there, try to get filled at 17 here on KUR. On NL and K, I mean. Perfect. Oh, I fucking hate this stock. With the trend there. Fuck. I gotta stop reading. Oh, why would I go long there? I don't fucking know. The 15-minute trend line. Where's the 15-minute trend line there? There's the P&L for the day. Down $45 on KRTA. Down $65 there on Kroger. Down up $85 on KURA. Down $30 on KURA. $45 there on NLNK. And then down $139 on the long. Meltdown status. I don't know why I went long there. That was the worst idea ever. Fail. The short of 17 would have been amazing. AVEO. KURA up there to 1190 now. Big move. Wow. Oh my god. KURA up there to 1330 now. KURA up 100% on the day so far. NLNK up there to 1740. NLNK just going crazy here. Up to the $18 area now, $18.25. The squeeze is real. Going short there at 18.37 there on NLK. Looking for this pullback. Back down the 17.75 area maybe. Doesn't want to go. NLNK on fire. This is crazy right now. Yeah, I covered a couple times. In and out of that one. Oh, it's 10 o'clock. It's been a uneventful day for me. Not where I wanted to be on the day. Show you guys a P&L. Kind of over trading. I can feel the over trading happening right now. It's happening. So basically NLNK just screwing me from top to bottom. I'm down about $397 on the day. So I'm gonna walk away. You suck. Thanks for it, man. Kick a guy when he's down. Ugh. I'll talk to you guys on Monday. If this hurricane doesn't kill me, I'll be here on Monday. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna walk away, play it safe, just come back on Monday. Bad day today. Just in the wrong place at the wrong time. So on that note, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Wish it could have been a better. But I think a lot of people made some money this morning and got lucky on some nice entries and exits there. Be back Monday morning. Tune in if the hurricane is not taking me out.